folks. This is your girl, Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And folks, what I want to talk with you tonight, okay, this is like around 10:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the Sunshine State, Florida. Now, this is what I want to talk to you about, and I'm positive that this is just for you. Now, here's the deal. If you're looking for a way to make money online where you can get paid straight to PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google, or any way, however you choose, okay? This is for you. I'm talking about the $25 one up. Now, with $25 one up, there's no monthly fees, okay? You get all the tools to help you to jumpstart your business and to make money. Folks, we have so many people that $25 one up is changing their life, changing their economy, changing their family situation, changing it for good. Folks, why not you? Why not be a part of $25 one up? Okay, so what I what I will do, I will drop my link below my video and you can take a look at it. Also, you can reach out to me. I'm very transparent. My phone number is 352 805 9846. You can text me, is the best way to reach me really fast. Now, with $25 one up, okay, it's a great program. It is really, really great. Now, you know, the one up which I love. I love that. As a matter of fact, the beginner tools to make automated money and sales. It is with this $25 one up, folks. Now, they have crossed over a threshold of over $1 million has been paid out in commission, folks. Okay, kudos to TJ Holloway. Over $1 million. Now, you know, what I was going to say to you is that there is no holds bar when it comes to this business. $25 one up. It has been around for a while now. And what I love about it is that, you know, there's no monthly fees. Once you sign up, okay, to whichever level you would like, um, there are like five levels. You have um, the $25 level. You have $100, $250, you have 500, and you have $1,000 level. And there's no limit to how many times per day someone can earn. No limit as to how many times people can um, people can sign up and you get those commission. So folks, it has a 5 digital product levels. These are all digital product. You will learn from A to Z with $25 one up. um, you have bonuses for platinum members and diamond or higher members. So okay, so in this video review of $25 one up, it shows you how the digital marketing tools and autoresponder broadcasting tools, pre-written copy and paste ads to automatically follow up with prospects when they reach out for info from your system. Folks, you have all of this. It's all digital. Okay, so here's the deal. Reach out to me, like as I said, 352-805-9846. Okay, reach out to me, find me on Facebook. I will put all those information. And as well as I have a few more income stream, which folks, multiple income stream is the best deal. It is the best way to go today, folks. It is the best. So I will drop all my link. And again, I want to congratulate you. I want to thank you. I want to welcome you into the family of the $25 one up, whereby we do have training, we have support, we have our private group on Facebook. Folks, you will get access to all of that. So you definitely want to sign up. Again, congratulations and thank you so much for watching my video. Please click the bell and thank you for subscribing. Click that big subscribe button as well. You take care and blessings always. This is Sharon and Rain from the Sunshine State with $25 one up. Take care. Bye for now.